Good afternoon. My name is Kim Frost. I am president of the Frost Marketing Research Company, and I am here to present Public's response to COVID-19 pandemic. The investigation problems are, has Publix followed CDC guidelines during the COVID pandemic? In following CDC guidelines, did they keep their employees and customers as safe as possible? These are the questions that we will try to answer. Publix is known in the community as a customer service friendly company. Publix has won many awards for their customer service and their philanthropy in their communities. Frost Marketing Research will start with observation in 3 different Publix stores. The second technique used will be an in-person questionnaire at the same 3 Publix stores as the observation. The final technique used will be a mailing of the questionnaire to the customers of Publix in that particular store area. Accuracy is gathered from observation because there is no dependence on the customer to participate in the questionnaire. Observation is a complex research method because it often requires the researcher to play a number of roles and to use a number of techniques, including his or her 5 senses to collect data. That is Baker 2006. Frost Marketing Research will take all the data gathered from the customer employee questionnaires and code it accordingly to have final data to present in the final report presentation. Frost Research will use a questionnaire and personally ask the customers and employees the questions. The personal interview can give you good results on the customer and employees' attitude, opinions, motivation, and awareness regarding the steps that Publix has taken to keep customers and employees safe. Frost Research is suggesting that the personal interview be used. This will give the best results to the problem questions proposed. Frost Research will do the personal interviews of different customers at 3 Publix locations in separate areas of the district. The raw data will then be coded into symbols so that the responses can be entered into a computer for evaluation and grouping. This will enable the answers to be grouped together to produce result numbers for conclusions so that you can determine what actions need to be taken. Frost Research feels that doing the research during the pandemic is acceptable if you follow the safety parameters that are locally observed while conducting your research. The personal interview gives customers the opportunity to interact with another individual and give their opinion to affect their shopping experience. If you choose to use observation, this would be acceptable to use during the pandemic if safety protocols are followed. Such safety protocols would be wearing a mask, having safe distance that is recommended by the CDC. Mailings would also be acceptable to use during the pandemic. When receiving the responses, you would have to quarantine them for a 2-week time period to make sure that they were contaminant-free. The following are the references that we used to conduct our research, and I thank you for your time.